Hi and welcome. I'm George Pierce. Thanks for watching. This video is about my weekly giveaway. Each week I give away an internet marketing gift, and it is a gift. No strings attached, no email required. It's 100% free. And this week's gift is one that I'm sure you're going to love. It's about copywriting. And copywriting is kind of near and dear to my heart because it's one of those must-have type things. If you want to be successful on the internet, whatever your internet endeavor is, whatever your internet venture is or adventure, you're going to need copywriting. You're either going to have to outsource it, and if you look at outsourcing it, unfortunately, it's very expensive, or you're going to have to learn it. Now, what's nice about copywriting is that it is something that you can actually learn. So it's a relatively simple process that anybody can learn. This week's giveaway is the Copywriter's Handbook. It's going to help aspiring online marketers to create better copy. If you've got good copy, you're going to get good results. If you've got poor copy, you're going to get poor results. It's pretty much that simple. So it's going to help you to improve your copy. I want to give you all the details on the giveaway, but first allow me to share a funny story with you that I'm sure you're going to enjoy. And the story is about Oliver. Oliver happens to be the most macho rooster in the world. And now Gus is a farmer, and he's got over 500 hens, but he doesn't have a rooster, and Gus decides that he wants to have some chickens. So of course he's going to need a rooster. His friend Will happens to have several roosters, so he goes over to Will and asks Will if he'd be willing to sell, would he sell one of his roosters? Well, Will says, of course, sure. But you've got over 500 hens, right? And, yeah. If you've got over 500 hens, then this is a job for Oliver. He is the most macho rooster in the world, and you're going to need Oliver to take care of 500 hens. Will says that the most macho rooster in the world costs $1,000. There's just no way that he can part with Oliver for less than $1,000. On the other hand, he's going to pay for himself. It's going to be a small investment compared to all the chicks that Gus is going to have. And it seems a little high, but Gus decided to buy Oliver. Gus takes Oliver home, and before he lets him loose, he gives him a little pep talk. You need to pace yourself, Oliver. You got a lot of chickens to take care of. You cost me a lot of money, so you need to do a good job, and you need to take your time. And then he adds with a smile, and have some fun. Well, it seems as if Oliver understood what Gus was saying, and then Gus pointed to the hen house and said, the girls are over there. He put down Ollie, and he took off like a shot. In a matter of hours, Ollie takes care of every hen in the hen house, and not just once, 3 or 4 times. Of course, Gus is amazed. Well, soon after, Gus hears a commotion in the duck pen, and sure enough, it's Ollie, and he's taking care of all the ducks. And then a little bit later, Gus sees Ollie chasing after a flock of geese. Once again, Ollie takes care of all the geese, and by sunset, Gus notices that Ollie is out in the fields chasing quail, chasing pheasants. Gus is amazed, of course, at this rooster, but he's also a little concerned, a little worried, because it is an expensive rooster, and he's afraid the poor thing isn't going to last 24 hours. Next morning, Gus wakes up, and it seems that his fears have come true. He looks out the window, and there's Ollie on his back, mouth open, tongue hanging out, feet straight up in the air, and there's buzzards already circling overhead. Well, Gus is saddened by his loss. He puts on his clothes and hurries up and gets out to Ollie, shaking his head, and he says, oh, Ollie, I told you to pace yourself, and you just wouldn't slow down. Now look what you've done. Ollie opens one eye just a little bit, and he kind of nods towards the buzzards that are circling in the sky above. He says, shh, they're getting closer. Like this video so far, I hope you do. Give it a big old thumbs up. Do that right now. I'd appreciate it. It's good for the channel. Thank you so much. Back to our giveaway. Just to give you a few of the details about how the giveaway can help you. It's going to help you with your headline. It's going to help you with your call to action. It's going to give you some insights about what's called USP, unique selling position, as well as your ESP, which I like, and that's your emotional selling position. So I like that it gets into the emotional side of things. Also, it's going to get into strategies and tactics such as urgency and some of the common mistakes that most newbies are going to make. In addition, the ebook comes with e-covers, articles, emails, sales letter, and resale rights. And why resale rights are so great, that's going to allow you to not only use the ebook for your own personal benefit, it also means that you can use the ebook as an incentive, as a giveaway to build your list, for example. You can even sell the ebook, resell the ebook, and keep the money. And the free download link for the giveaway is https://Cutley, cuttly.ly/TCH. If this is the kind of content that you're interested in, I invite you to join this channel. Hit that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of these videos. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Allow me to wish you much success.